Hey guys, I thought of making a quick review of this spray right here. Now it's supposed to be used for foam as well. It does say right here, foam. And I used it for this. So I thought it would work great. The last spray that I tried was 3M and that worked excellent. For 2 years it held up and then some parts started falling off and I just sprayed it again, that's it. But only some parts. However, with this guy right here, it's an everyday type of thing. So see those squares right there? Those just fell out. And I just sprayed them yesterday. So I keep putting spray here and on the foam itself. So I put spray on both. And although it is sticky, actually it's still sticky. I can feel the glue on this board. And on here as well, it doesn't stay. So for some reason, when it comes down to foam, it doesn't do the job. So I do not recommend the product at all. So don't buy this one. All right, so don't buy this. Don't make that mistake. I actually made a video a couple years ago actually about 3M, that spray, and that one worked really well. So that one held up a long time and everything. For some reason, it just doesn't want to hold up here, this spray itself. So next I will be buying, I think, 3M again, because this is not holding up. Again, it's every other day or every day, it depends. I have to re-glue this. So I spray more on it, then I glue it back on, then the next day it might come off, or after 2 days it comes off again. And it does that. It's not always the same place. Now some of these panels have come off. You guys might see some gaps here, and that's because, yeah, they've come off. I put them back on again. And same goes with the top levels. Now this part right here, I've been pretty lucky. This has stayed quite a long time, although it is coming off just a tad. Don't want to really touch it that much. It has stayed longer. But as far as this spray goes, for this type of use, do not make the same mistake I did and buy it. Just go ahead and buy the 3M one. Works better. Worked for years actually. So I recommend the other one and not getting this one, which for some reason will just not work. Anyways, that would be it for this review. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.